Hi everyone. We're going to start taking notes in our science notebook. You should have either a composition notebook or a spiral notebook that you will be using for science class. We have already in class created our table of contents. You'll see that on your first page. You should have a column for the date, a spot for the title and topic, and a spot for the page. We have saved our first 2 pages in our notebook for our table of contents. So I have page 1, and I have labeled both the front and the back as table of contents. And then I have a second page that I have labeled for my table of contents. And I have gone ahead and labeled the back of that page. And then I have started to number my pages. I have page 1 here. If you put page numbers on your table of contents, that is fine, right? That is no problem. My page numbers do not need to match your page numbers. We will be getting into the habit of using the left side of our notebook for doing entry tasks, for brainstorming, using it for little classwork. So previously in class, we had a little brainstorming about what we could remember about the scientific method, right? And we made some quantitative and qualitative observations about a penny. So we all have a little bit of a table in here. This will be our first day for writing official notes. And so we need to make sure we have page numbers. My style is that I have each page. This is page 1, front and back, and this is page 2, front and back. If you have put numbers on the back, if you said that this is page 2, right, and this is page 3, again, that is fine. It's absolutely fine. My page numbers do not need to match your page numbers. We do want to go to our table of contents, and we want to write down today's date, right? This is the 17th. Right? And our topic, our title is going to be the scientific method. Okay, and you want to start this on the right-hand side of your notebook. I'm going to start my notes on page 1. You'll just note in your notebook what page you are starting this on. Okay, we are going to go ahead and write the steps of the scientific method in our notebook, and we're going to go ahead and make some notes about the key things we need to know about the hypothesis. There's 3 key things that we need to know as we are reading and identifying hypothesis. So I'm going to go ahead and write steps of the scientific method. Okay, and then if you are not in class, you can access our separate video, seeing the notes that we take in class today.